Hi, I'm Dick Snyder, President of Professional Turf Services, and I'm going to take you for a little tour around the Mixmaster 345. Over here we have a chemical eductor. It's actually designed to work with a high-capacity pump. It's a low pressure but high capacity, so it allows for quick and efficient mixing. You'll see here that it's a convenient height for emptying your containers into the eductor, and it has a tank rinse that's actually running right now, and inside is a bottle rinse. I'm going to demonstrate that right here. You can simply push your bottle down onto the bottle rinse, let it rinse itself out, let it drain into the eductor, and then you can discard the container. And now we're turning the eductor part on and actually drawing in the chemical, and you'll notice that it's actually going up to the, actually right now it's going to the agitation side, but this unit has a two-way valve at the top which will allow it to flow from agitation to actually just a meltdown. So if you're running something soluble fertilizer of some type, it'll actually go to the that side there, which I'm about to take apart. You'll see the water transferring over there. That's actually taking your chemical into a tank top, and inside there is a screen that's going to catch your insoluble portion. Your soluble portion will actually be solubilized really quickly because it's almost 80 gallons per minute flowing over the top of those fertilizers, and it greatly increases the rate at which those things are going to be solubilized and put in solution. The screen itself also takes out any insoluble portion, so that never enters the system, and it protects your pump from unnecessary wear. You can see the flow rate is pretty impressive, and actually that's what aids in that rapid meltdown of those soluble fertilizers. Over here we simply have a valve here, which is our discharge valve for when you're done with the system. You put a catch can down there or a tray, and you can empty the unit completely. Also, because it's on the intake side of the pump, we can add more manifolds and intake hoses so that you can draw directly from storage tanks, 275-gallon totes, or whatever you might have. Now this is the discharge side. Now we're emptying this out. Again, it's about 80 gallons per minute, so it takes only a few minutes to empty that 300-gallon mix that we made. And normally that is going to be, as you can see here, we're actually going to connect that to the cap here so that it's a closed system pumping it. We just wanted to demonstrate for you what the flow rate was for the discharge. Okay, so in closing, I'd just like you to know that the unit itself should be hardwired in with a GFI. A 20 amp circuit is sufficient. The motor can be set up to run 110 or 220 volt, either way, whichever you prefer. Conveniently locate a switch someplace that's on the wall close to the unit, or if necessary, we can actually wire and connect a switch on the machine that's convenient for you. It actually has an optional variable speed drive. Variable speed drive just simply allows you to kind of control foaming and the mixing rate. Keep it at a gentle mix after you're done mixing if you want to keep it in a suspension or something like that. Custom tank sizes are no problem. We've built systems as large as 2,000 gallons. 500's relatively popular, and even smaller size units. We can customize the discharge hose and fittings to kind of match your situation, what you may have on your sprayer. Hose hangers, no problem, we can include that on the unit. Also a flow meter with a hose and gun. That can be convenient for if you're discharging chemicals, you're only going to use a portion of the product. And we'll customize to your requirements, and we'll try to accommodate you as much as possible. Thank you for your time for watching, and we will appreciate your business. Thank you.